Hey my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Nidhi. I get every week makeup related and cosmetic related videos. Today's video or a makeup tutorial is about the trending trend of spring 2021, the dolphin skin makeup. The dolphin skin makeup is yet another variant of dewy skin or glass skin makeup or yoga skin. But the technique of achieving this makeup is quite different than its predecessors. In this makeup tutorial, we'll be using just cream and liquid products to get this luminous face. If you're interested to see how I achieved this look, let's move on to the video and do watch it till then. I'll tell you my final verdict whether this base makeup works for somebody who is over 30, who has a little bit of fine lines. Does this makeup crack? Does this makeup crease? So further ado, let's get started. This is a human face that will be converted into a dolphin face. First, I'm using Pixi Rosehip oil to keep my skin hydrated. The key of the look is to get a dewy look. So the best thing to start is to make your skin hydrated, and for this I'm using a facial oil. If you're someone who doesn't like oils, you can give it a skip and use a hydrating cream. And now I'm using this primer from Maybelline around my T-zone because I have a little bit of pore and texture around this area. If you don't have, you don't need to use it. But if you want a flawless base makeup, my suggestion is go for this step. And then if you find your skin is a little blur and that luminosity has gone away, there's another hack coming on your way. Use any facial primer oil. This will instantly give you that beautiful radiance that everyone who looks at your makeup will feel it is natural. But you know the hack, right? Use it all over your face, massage it gently into your face, and these 3 steps will ensure you get that luminosity like dolphin skin. And now let's move on to the next step. The next step is to do the eyebrows. For this I'm using NYX Cosmetic. I have done one to show you the difference, and next I'll do offline. After this we'll move on to the next step. For this step I'm using an orange corrector from Maybelline. I'm just using it on the areas which are a little bit dark, which have acne marks around my lips. This color correction step will ensure we don't use any heavy base and the skin looks like skin natural. And the primer oil and other oils we've used are actually doing their job. They are not been covered with heavy layers of makeup. Now if you're afraid that the orange color will peep up, there is a hack. This is a hack which will be a life-changing hack for you. I'm using a concealer which is peach in color. I'm just covering those points wherever I've used the orange corrector, and then I am just pressing it around that area only with the help of the brush. This will ensure that nothing peeps out of your base makeup. Now let's move on to the next step. Now I'll be using a foundation that is radiant kind, and this is from NYX Cosmetic called Born to Glow, and I'm going to use it on my face. Now if you're wondering if I'm not going to set my foundation and concealer, how would it work? I am going to set it. I would use this setting spray all over my face, and then I will blend the foundation into my skin, and everything will stay on place for an hours and hours. Still it will give you a dewy look. It will not look cakey, and we don't have to use any powder. After this I'll use the concealer from NYX Cosmetic Born to Glow series. This is a beautiful luminosity filled well on budget kind of a concealer. I've used just under my eyes to make them little well lit or highlighted. And after that we'll move on to the next step. Again, I'm not going to use any powder or any powder kind of a product. Just I'll spray this setting spray on my sponge and set my under eyes as well as the rest of the face. And now let's move on to the next step. I'm using a strobing cream from NYX Cosmetic instead of a powder highlight. This is a technique which will give you a natural kind of a glow, not a blinding kind. And now I'm using a powder blush from Colourpop. This is a quad blush, and from this I've picked up a little bit glittery or a shine kind of a blush. And now I'll bring the camera close so that you can see that radiance is looking natural. And now we'll move on to the next step. I'm going to use a bronzer. Whenever you're using any bronzer for dewy skin or any other luminosity or radiant kind of a look, use bronzers which have little bit of shine to it. Gives again an dewy kind finish. And now we'll move on to the next step. For the eyes are quite simple. I've used the same bronzer all over my eyelid, and for the inner 1/3 I've picked up that blush and used one of the shade in just 1/3 of my eyes. The main focus of this video was to get that dolphin kind of natural radiance, and we've done few steps in the initial part of the video which will ensure that you get that look. And now after applying lipstick, I will answer the question about this base makeup, that it is actually workable or is it just an hype. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was an easy makeup look, but the base makeup technique was definitely something. Did it work for my skin, which is over 30? Yes. The dewy setting spray is the magic thing which will keep your makeup intact. And this comes to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you find it informative and enjoyed, kindly consider subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me. Until we meet next, as I always say, keep on practicing makeup. Take care. Bye bye.